Hello, my name is Ben, and I am not a great gamer. Welcome back to Crusader Kings 2, One True Roman, in which we play as Patrician Severio II of Samos, of Faliero. We are, we're pretty cool. We're a genius, and we're seducing people, and we've managed to kill off a couple people that we don't want, and, we actually kind of just have too many irons in the fire. I was thinking about this. And, okay, so we're in a war, and that's cool, and we kind of want to go to war with their Tekken for a holding over here, and we want our Byzantine Emperor to become the Roman Emperor, which means we have to go to war with the Holy Roman Empire for, I think, about 3 or 4 times, which is, that's just a lot of stuff in order to do, but the Holy Roman Emperor has just way too many people, or has way too much, support from his folks. He has 90,000 troops at his disposal, it's just a rough time. Actually, hold up. Hang on. Okay. Why do you have so many troops? I guess, yeah, his troops just reinforced or something. And yeah, he's just an absolutely massive dude. We're also trying to, do shenanigans in France. We're seducing our way across everything. And actually, the annoying part is we are currently trying to seduce this woman here, the Kaiserin of the Holy Roman Empire. Problem is, we haven't actually had any events yet. And I can't unseduce her. I can't stop seducing this woman. So what I wanted to do, I can actually now switch my seduction focus to carousing, but actually I would probably go intrigue at this point. Unfortunately, I would like to pick up I now have the aspiring seducer modifier. I would like to have the seducer modifier, but you can only do that if you seduce a whole lot of times. I want to be a low-down seducing seducer, but I can't seduce anyone right now because I'm targeting this woman, and I haven't had an opportunity to stop targeting that woman. Anyway, it's this long, complicated thing. Oh, we're also not the Serene Doge, which is just really hampering my style. Or cramping my style? Hampering my something. Anyway, we are in line to be Serene Doge, but we are not the Serene Doge. We're trying to kill the Serene Doge. Anyway, it's just, there's so many things. So I'm going to try to keep it all straight. And, you know what, might as well just win this war. Okay. Okay, some chick became Orthodox. Kinda don't care. Someone has their court chaplain on my home province. Oh yeah, the Basilius is cool. He's a dwarf. He's got a lot of stuff kind of going for him. Yeah, scholarly theologian is okay. Yeah, he needs new heir. Who's this guy? He's in his family, but not as cool. Mostly because he's not a dwarf. I want this guy's brother to be... yeah, Prince David. I want him to be the heir of the Byzantine Empire because he was born in the purple, and he's a dwarf. And I just think that would be awesome. But yeah, oh, the current Basilius is betrothed to my daughter, I believe. Yeah. Anyway, it's just, there's just stuff going on. There's a lot of stuff. But we're sieging down Cairo. That's going pretty quick. We're doing all of this on speed 4 because we can. Marietta Faliero. How come you can't just stay married to someone who's not going to die? Come on. Ooh, he's a master schemer. Wow, good work. See, I want to become a master schemer. Or maybe an impaler. We'll see what happens. But I can't do that. I might just switch to, you know what? I'm just going to switch. I think it's going to happen. You just marry this chick. You know what? Seduction is not getting me where I need to go. So we're going to spy on our liege a whole lot. At some point we may switch to carousing, and then we switch back to intrigue. We will see what happens, but there we go. We are now intriguing. Something. Okay, here we go. Can I spy on you? We'll see what happens. Actually, what are your stats? You have 3 intrigue. Good luck. Spy on. Do it. Might allow me to blackmail, level treason charges against, or even murder him. Well, we will see what happens. He's the guy that I want dead the most in the world. I and my trusted snoops and sneaks will keep a very close eye on the activities of Serene Doge Vincenzo of Venice. A close eye indeed. I wonder what secrets he is hiding. It's the first time I have done intrigue-focused stuff, so we will see what happens. Wish me luck! I'm not having much luck spying on Serene Doge Vincenzo. Perhaps I should focus my efforts elsewhere. Well, we'll go one round of no, I'm sure he's up to something. Okay, the Sultan. Look. 96 war score. No, he won't do it. Fine. One weak claim can be pressed. Oh. Oh, no. Oh, yeah, the new King of Ireland. No, I'm not doing that. There's no way. No way. I'm not doing it. He seems like a cool dude. I'm not gonna do that to him. We're gonna siege one more thing down and just make this guy. Oh, 97%. Oh, yeah. Luigi asks, why is the church so rich when the peasants are starving and poor? Because for the poor is the kingdom of heaven. What do we have? Very likely to get zealous, potentially get greedy, which is okay. Could get charitable or just. Oh, let's do this. What does he get? He's charitable. That is very good. Good, Luigi. Be charitable. Not as good as just, but it's very good. Ticking war score? We must have ticking war score, because it's, yeah. War score's going up. There we are, 100%. Severio, wow. Not what I was expecting. Okay, just real quick here. Offer peace, yes. Okay. I'd just like to point out that I now have positive piety. So nobody please come and, like, beg me to, what's the word? Yeah, no one come along and beg me to, like, let you go and join a holy order somewhere. Okay? Thanks, bye. Okay, Second Samosian Holy War for Tripolitania has ended. Cool. I've noticed the noble. That's not what I was expecting. I was kind of aiming for, like, the spider or something, but now I can't get that. I wonder how I got that. I'll have to look that up. Maybe it's because I'm, like, just and kind or something? We'll see. We'll see. Okay. Let's see. What are we going to do? We have too much in my domain. We are going to just create a few dudes. Actually, what we are going to do, gonna find that dude, search court, men. Von Eppenstein, you have a strong claim on the Duchy of Carinthia. How about if you have the County of Sirte, include lower titles, there we go, he's gonna love me, and I will be under my domain limit, and he will be landed, so if I take the Duchy of Sirte, it will actually end up going to... I'll be able to, yeah, I'll be able to transfer him. Anyway, we'll figure it out, but the Duchy of Sirte will go into the Byzantine Empire and could actually end up going into the Serene Republic. Or, well, almost certainly would. So, there we go. County of Sirte. Include lower titles. Done. Excuse me. So he loves me. Oh, hey, kitty. Ow, ow, ow. She was stretching and, like, scratching. Anyway, it was bad. Okay, so, Ertekin, how many troops do you have? 29,000 troops. That's more troops than I have. I don't really feel like going to war for this bit over here, so we will not do that yet. Okay, let's bring our troops home. Let them all go. Expand the units. There we go. Maybe I'll be making money now. We will see. Do I have any prisoners? Come on. 2 prisoners. Ransom? No. Fine, release. Ransom? No. Fine, release. Okay. 2 fewer prisoners. Any interesting plots? Oh, yeah. You. And plot. Stop backing plot. Yes. My rival within my family, which is actually dumb because it's in my family, was backing a plot to He was backing a plot to take family, what's it called? Take a trade post. Which, look, it's family stuff. You shouldn't be doing that. And then you. Ruggiero. Stop backing plot. Just do it, okay? Now, if he continues backing the plot, then I can arrest him. But they're not backing the plot. It's fine. So, intrigue. Any other good plots? Oh, my wife. Yeah, she's just gonna keep backing this, I think. I bet she's just gonna do it. Oh no. Dare does not refuse. Okay, there you go. Sweet. Okay. Anything else? Kill Bishop Mastino's Sfax. I don't really care about that. Killing a bunch of people I don't care about. Okay, whatever. We have 108 plot power versus the Serene Doge Vincenzo. How are you doing? You are 61. You're stressed. Please die. Just die. Do you like your husband? Yeah, you kind of do. Well, he hasn't done anything. Oh. Can I spy on? Can I stop spying on? One of the things that they said was that possessed people are more likely to be plotting, and so you should actually try to spy on them. They're very, very likely to be plotting, and then that will increase your schemer score, or your schemer rank, or whatever it is. So we could do that. So I'm going to pass my retinues through this area. We're going to end up attacking people, but yeah. A rumor about a spy sneaking around in my own castle was confirmed this morning when I caught him red-handed. Oh, hi. Ruthless. Marshal +2. For how many years? I think it's just 1 year. Oh, it's like a year and a half or something. Oh, yeah, kitty. I get Ruthless until then, giving Marshal +2. I don't really need that. I'll take the Piety. I could use all the Piety I can get, quite frankly. Do I want the trait Cynical? I don't really care. Attempt to clear my name. 50% chance of losing 15 Piety or losing 15 Prestige. Looks like I lost some Prestige, which really doesn't matter. I have plenty. Oh, interesting. Thanks to my loyal spies, I have found out that Serene Doge Vincenzo of Venice is attempting to promote vile heresies. How should I use this information? Well, the Basilius doesn't really like him that much. Inform his liege, Basilius Anthemios II of the Byzantine Empire. I kind of don't want to do that. What happens if... Okay, I don't actually know what he would do. There's a chance that he could, like, revoke a major title, and that would be really, really, really bad. What are the laws in the imperial laws of the Byzantine Empire? Crown authority is medium. Yeah, I think he can just revoke stuff if he wants to. I kind of don't want to do that. Whatever, live a little. Okay, inform his liege, Basilius Anthemios II. Basilius... Okay, Basilius Anthemios II of the Byzantine Empire was grateful and upset about the evidence I provided against Serene Doge Vincenzo of Venice. He has been publicly denounced and humiliated. First off, mwahaha is awesome. Which means the Doge likes him... The Doge likes the Basilius less. Slandered, yeah. And the Basilius likes the Doge less. Charge Heresiarch. That's interesting. Oh, supports different air. Oh, yeah. Okay. Interesting. Mwahaha, indeed. Now, does that mean I can spy on someone now? No. Okay. Effect a plot. No. Likes him, doesn't like me. Okay. Now, how do I stop spying on? Well, anyway, in a certain amount of time, we will get the option to stop. Okay, sweet. To stop spying on this guy. And when we do, we'll stop spying on him, and then we will start spying on people who are much, much more likely to... Oh, someone else converted to Catholic. Someone who's much more likely to be spying on someone. Okay. Educate child. Why don't you go for high intrigue? Ooh. And Polish. Let's do this. It's a boy, 6-year-old boy. Let's do this the old-fashioned way. That came out wrong, but what are you gonna do? Search all. Gender, both. In prison, no. Married, any. Ruler, any. My religion, my culture. Adult, yes. Okay, let us go for high diplomacy. Ooh, this guy's actually really good. Yeah, this guy's really good. Are you? No, you're not. Educate child. Who is it? Giuseppe Faliero. We wouldn't do it. She won't do it. Nah. Base reluctance. She doesn't like me enough to have any reason to do that. That guy's okay. 186275. That's not bad. Brave, temperate, humble. Clemente. Why don't you educate child? Giuseppe? Nope. Won't do it. (18, 1, 3, 12, and 6. That's interesting. Oh, he's arbitrary. Or she's arbitrary. Well, let's do it. Let's see what happens. Giuseppe. Renata. He would do it. Same room. Yeah, okay. Cool. We'll see what we get. Okay, good deal. Count of Nicomedia has converted to the Orthodox faith, which is interesting. One of my informants, a young soldier with more vices than he can afford, has managed to gain the trust of Serene Doge Vincenzo and now often stands guard outside his door. I don't understand how the fellow managed it, but who am I to look a gift horse in the mouth? For enough gold, he might be persuaded to get rid of Vincenzo violently. Is murder going too far? No. What it is, though, is it's a 50% chance that I get caught. We're clicking this button. Five ducats. Yes! Okay! Okay. Serene Doge Saverio the Noble has inherited the most serene Republic of Venice, Grand City of Venezia from Serene Doge Vincenzo of Venice. So I think, I was looking at the wiki, and I believe that's like a 5% chance of even getting that event. Or no, it's like a 5-weight chance. Or something weird like that. Okay, I want to point out a couple things here. So, and then I think it's like a 50% chance that the plot fires, and then I think it's another 50% chance that you get caught. It doesn't look like I got caught. We will check out some opinions here in a second. In disguise, I meet up with my friend, Serene Doge Vincenzo's burly armsman and his shifty-looking associate at a run-down tavern. Grinning, he recounts how they stabbed Serene Doge Vincenzo of Venice to death in his bed. I hand him a bag of coins and leave. Outside, I order my guards to tie up loose ends, by which I mean that guy's dead. Okay. Defending versus infidels. Okay, so he doesn't like me. Supports different heir. Oh, who's your heir? Who do you want to be your heir? Okay, we'll go for Dux Romanus the Good. If I do that, if I change my voting, which is fine, I don't really care that much. I mean, I would prefer it be... Oh, he's a master schemer. Ooh. I kind of would... I would kind of prefer it not be a master schemer that ends up getting this, but what are you going to do? Nominate... Romanos. Okay. Now, does my liege like me a little bit better? Yes, he does. Okay, vicious rumors, fine. Adulterer, fine. Zealous, it's gonna happen. Foreigner, religious differences. Improved relations. Okay, so a couple more improved relations and we should be fine. And then... Oh, wait, no. Yeah, I can't carouse. Well, crap. 2 titles can be usurped, don't care. 5 titles can be created. I can create the Kingdom of Andalusia. Interesting. Duchy of Alexandria, Duchy of Tripolitania. Not now. Title loss in succession. Okay, so here we go. My heir is Vitale Faliero. He is going to be in charge of this place. I'm telling you now, we are going to win this election. It's going to take a ton of money. It's gonna take a lot of cash, but we are going to win this election. It's probably gonna take well over 1,000 ducats. Just to be sure, let's go with 1,200. Okay, so I inherited that. This guy's dead. Okay. Am I in any wars that I need to be concerned about? Okay, let's see here. Educate child. Oh. Doge Faliero. Oh, it's a girl. Yes, I accept. Okay. Righteous imprisonment. Count Grunito, the shadow. What are you doing? You didn't care. I don't really care. And this guy, he's trying to seize the trade post in Thessalia. Why don't you end plot? No, he would not do it. Really? 17% chance of success. I'm really tempted to try imprisoning this guy. He has higher intrigue than I want him to have. Oh, he's ambitious, and he wants my stuff. Let's see here. You have 10,000 troops at your disposal. How many troops do I have? I have 30,000. Yes, I have 30,000 troops. Okay, how do my vassals like me? Actually, a decent number of them who like me. Plenty. 100, 199, 73. Let's look at the people who just don't like me. Yeah. Yeah, some ambitious folks just want stuff. Okay, here's an interesting thing. Doge Faliero of Badajoz has inherited the Duchy of Granada, Count of Granada, Count of Malaga, Barony of Mera. Oh, so he inherited all this stuff. Okay. This guy, therefore, has... I think he actually has... Yeah, he's 2 different duchies. So we'll see what ends up coming of that. Interesting. Okay, I think we just try to imprison this guy. Actually, maybe not. Does he have money? Oh yeah, he has money. 17%? Yeah, let's do it. Okay. There's now a rebellion. We are gonna kill this guy. We're gonna kill him hard. We're gonna... Oh yeah. 2 arms. Okay, so I'm in a war now to bring this guy in. Yeah, he was plotting against me, and that can't happen. Now, who's your liege? Where's his capital? His capital is the Duchy of... County of Paphlagonia. Okay, let's go there. Paphlagonia it is. Let's go here, and let's go here, and here, and here. Yeah, let's do it. He has 13,000 troops. Oh. Okay. Educate child. Doge Faliero. Not gonna happen. Okay. Now, do I want to raise troops? Of course I do. Do I want to play the get on the boat game? Not really, but I'm going to anyway. Excuse me. Oh, sweet. Army of Count Davide. Oh, the Knights Hospitaller, for whatever reason, are on my territory and are fighting. Yeah. Anyway, yeah, there's fighting going on. It's bad for the Count of Paphlagonia. It's fun. Okay, so what we're gonna do is military. Let's just do it. We have to do it. Let's just do it. Control. Raise. Raise. Oh, wow. Lots of troops did not get raised. Interesting. You guys. Group up. We're not gonna play the get on the boat game. Group up there. We're not gonna play it over here anyway. 3,000 troops. You guys just go down here. We're about to lose a bunch of troops if we're not very careful, because he has a pretty good number over here. You just disband. You... Oh, interesting. How about if I just, come on down here. You disband as well. All y'all, come on over here. It's actually kind of hazardous. In fact, let's see, they've got 1,000 troops there. No, you know what? All y'all disband right now. For now. We will deal with this later. You guys, come on over here. We'll group up there. I'm half tempted to just raise troops here. You know what? Raise troops! They have low morale, but it's a pretty small little pile of troops there. So, it'll work. Let's get us a bunch of boats. Fine. It's gonna be a lot faster and easier if we just raise the boats. Okay, fine. Did I tell those boats to go away? Oh, maybe I did. Okay. Join up. On the boat. Join up. On the boat. 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 I can't believe the luck of just killing that dude. Oh man, I should have gone, I knew I should have done that. I was a little bit worried, like I wanted to go, I wanted to go carousing, probably more than anything else, actually. Yeah, let's do this. Just to get lots of opinion modifiers with a whole lot of people. It was just going to be a lot of fun. You know, everybody was going to love me. It was going to be fine. Actually, you know what? You just get on the boat. I'll just bring you over. You guys can walk. You guys can walk. Okay. What else do we have going on over here? This is going to be a decent number of troops, but not really enough over here. You come on over here. Oh yeah, I should have been doing the alt thing this whole time. That's okay. These are my retinues. These don't count. Go home. Okay, you guys are all moving. Oh man, look at this guy. Oh, hey, what's this? That's Catholic Uprising. Nice! Haha. You moron. Let's just get these guys that are on the boat on the boat. You can just go home. And you guys. All you might as well just disband. You're not going to make it there in time. I don't really feel like babysitting. So, come on over. Oh yeah, get on the boat. Get over here. Did my timer go off? No, it didn't. It's about to, but it didn't. Okay. So his main troops are over here. We'll deal with them later once we group up. We'll group up down here, siege down a couple of stupid things over here while he's not looking. And we will win this war against our stupid vassal who is plotting against us and has more intrigue than I do. You know something? Having more intrigue than I do is half the reason that, that I did this. So, yeah. We are now the Serene Doge. Nobody suspects that I just murdered this dude. I am now an amateur schemer. Intrigue +1. Yes, kids, I have 26 intrigue. Only have 13 diplomacy. I'm gonna have to work on that, but I have 26 intrigue. Seriously. Okay. Well, we have discovered the value of the intrigue focus. We are gonna abuse the ever-loving crap out of that. In fact, remember, let's see here. Most Serene Republic of Venice history. This dude, his wife, where is she? She's in Cáceres. Interesting. Can I spy on you? Yes, I can. So she has the possessed trait. She's most likely going to be spying on someone or doing something she's not supposed to. So we will see what we can do. Yeah, so we're gonna win a war against someone with more intrigue than us and see what kind of terrible things we can do to them. And I believe that's an episode. So yes, now that we are the Serene Doge, we are not going to join the... Yeah, we're not going to join this crusade for the very simple reason that it's already 80% war score against, so we're just not going to bother. Although, well, I'll think about it. He only has like a certain number of troops. How many troops does he have? How many troops do you have? 30,000. Wow, I can actually raise that much. That's really too bad. I should have done that. Oh well. Bulgaria we don't really need, but yeah, I think that was a pretty successful episode. The win button is always good. The kill your liege button is always fun. So, on that note, I enjoyed myself. I hope you enjoyed yourself as well, and I do look forward to seeing you next time.